Have you ever been sewing and realized you have got thread caught in your take-up lever? So on the Bernina 790, I'm going to show you how you can actually take off this in cover and get a hold of that thread and pull it out. So you have a tool that came with your machine. It's a Torx screwdriver, so either end will work. So I'm going to just go ahead and slide it in there and loosen that, and then give that a nice little release. This screw's going to come out. Now, here's a quick tip. Turn off your machine. Do not do this with the everything on. I'm going to leave my lights on for just a second here. So when you slide this off, there's actually two little fingers kind of as a hinge point right here where this seam is together. So when I kind of lift it on the front and just kind of lift it out, you're going to see those two little places that are going to be where you put everything back in. Now at this point, you're going to also be able to, this is why you want to turn it off. Don't touch any circuit board related items here, but this way you can get in, and if you've got any threads that kind of got tangled or even caught in this spring, you're going to easily be able to see them and take them out. So when you're ready to put it back in, you're looking at these two little guys are going to kind of hook down and underneath the outside housing. As I tip it up, it will just kind of want to flip in there, and you're just going to give it a little wiggle until everything here and here becomes flush, and then we're going to put that one screw back in that you actually, that loosened everything. So keep in mind that there are some things that you do need to clean on a regular basis. Number one, you do need to oil a Bernina 7 series every time you sit down to sew. You also have, and we just did the video on how to clean the thread catcher. That is the mechanism that activates when you use the thread cutter. So make sure if you haven't done that lately, we'll put a little link right up here at this top corner where you can see how to clean that out. Just need a pair of tweezers, and we will walk you through step by step how that's to be done. But it's really nice. You can really take care of just some of those basic things that as a sewer, we tend to sometimes get things jammed up. Take care of this machine and it will take care of you.